very easy and fun learning toy which you would definitely want to try for your child. This is 4-in-1 abacus toy and it will just take 20 minutes for you to prepare this with materials you have at home. Similar to this you get in market but will cost you more than 600 rupees, which actually you can prepare it with less than 60 rupees. It can be used in various ways to learn colors, counting and pattern. Kids can even do lacing with these beads or pasta. This is what all you need. First is color sorting. I have used waste foam sheets. You can use if you have, or you can actually involve your child in preparing this, as kids love to color and paint. Now this beads or pasta can be put on spaghetti in case you don't have bamboo sticks. If you're making this for toddlers, I would suggest instead of beads, make with pasta, as small kids put things in mouth. Encourage children to speak while playing to develop their speech and language skills. Second is counting beads.
1.
Is your child not showing interest in counting numbers? Then try this. It's a great way of learning counting, and for children it's easy to learn if they can see things physically and touch.
4.
Children learn counting as they stack the correct number of beads in the correct stick.
5.
You can use number stickers if you have, or you can draw big numbers using marker or sketch pen. You can put these stakes on a clay base also, but I prefer this type base because it's easy to store and can be used several times.
5, 8, 6, 9, 7.
Third is pattern matching with pasta and with beads. This one you can do with pasta. This one is with beads. In this you can see 10 patterns in one row, and you can see I have started with easy and slowly increase the level of difficulty. You can make various patterns according to your child's age, like easy for toddlers, and when they are able to do slowly, you can increase the level of difficulty. This pattern for pasta, you can see it's very easy for toddlers. It is actually perfect for toddlers. First one is alternate two distinct colors, then similar color I have used, so the color so that they can really think and put. Fourth is lacing. Lacing with pasta or lacing with beads. You can take a similar thread or shoelace, tie at one end. Child can try making a bracelet or necklace. She's doing this.
With the thread.
Lacing is good to improve hand-eye coordination and dexterity. It is a great fine motor skills activity which prepares your child for writing. Thanks for watching. Do share your comments once you try this. There are other videos on how to make learning toys which you will find in my channel. Share and subscribe if you like my video. Stay tuned for more.